It has been a long time since we visited our section of Where They Now up here on our YouTube channel FM Show KE. But today we are here with a certain video in regards to one of the greatest celebrities and legends when it comes to the acting or film industry in the country. Mother-in-law, remember the name of Charity, the woman that made that program become one of the most loved programs in the country, which lasted on screen for over 11 years. Now today we give tribute to our most beloved Kenyan's legendary actress, mother-in-law Elizabeth Wanjiru, and we want to know where she is now. Elizabeth Wanjiru, sometimes referred to as Shosh, is the character Charity in the Citizen TV series Mother-in-Law. For 11 years, the local TV drama Mother-in-Law has made actress Elizabeth Wanjiru, also known as Charity Mwamba, a television sensation. She is well known for both a prominent part as the mother-in-law and for being a member of the cast of the Citizen TV series. She is a strict mother who cannot put up with foolishness and is constantly overly protective of her sons. Elizabeth, or Charity Mwamba Wanjiru, started a career as a performer at Alliance Girls and became well known due to her role as a mother-in-law. Charity, who is also retired from teaching, she started performing at Alliance Girls High School when she was a little child. She exudes confidence on stage and clearly possesses acting talent. She graduated with a Bachelor of Arts from the University of Nairobi and also as a postgraduate credential. In the 1980s, Elizabeth Wanjiru and her Ugandan spouse parted ways. 13 years of marriage later, in 1981, the husband left her. Shem Begni, her spouse, owns the position of Minister of State for East African Affairs in Uganda. Shem Begni went back to Uganda in 1987 to build his career after his Kenyan citizenship was revoked by the government, where he rose through the ranks from MP to assistant minister, then to his current position as a minister. Yes, that is a very wonderful tale and a wonderful story of this woman, Charity Mwamba, popularly known, but her real name is Elizabeth Wanjiru, one of the greatest legendary characters that has been playing the character mother-in-law for so many years up there on Citizen TV program Mother-in-Law, which has been airing on Sundays for so many years. For now, that's what's up. As of right now, she continues to play different characters in different films. Yeah, lately she was featured on one of the one of the films on Netflix, and it also became the talk of the town. Now that is it for now. Go ahead and subscribe. See you in the next one. This is FM Show KE.